Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2002 two-owner Jaguar XK8 Convertible. Beautiful color. It's like a midnight blue with almost like a shale interior. Always dealer serviced. This car actually came from Florida, where it spent most of its time. Like new tires all the way around. Shocks were also done at the dealer. Rear shocks. It's got Alpine sound system with a CD changer in the trunk. Heated seats. We also have two boots for it, for the cover. They're included. Also guards that come over and protect the doors from bumping other cars in the garage. They're also included. We have all the maintenance records, original owner's manuals, everything on this car. Absolutely love the wood in here. Super nice. $34,965 original miles. Air's blowing nice and cold right now. Auto dimming rearview mirror. My client's selling it because he's getting something a little safer. He's up in his mid 80s. He's looking to buy a Subaru. Nice safe car. But the 4-liter motor runs perfect. Power top works great. So this is like a trunk buddy that goes over the bumper?
Hang it over the door.
Over the door. Oh, okay, cool. To protect it.
Yeah.
And then that's what this is also. And then he's got a boot here and a boot here. And brand new battery, right?
Brand new.
Cool. Nice car.
And most of the receipts since the car is new.
Yeah. So what is this, your 20th Jaguar? I like the last one you had. The R.
That was a nice
fun car.
05 R.
Yeah, great color too. I think we sent that one overseas.
It went to the Netherlands.
It went to the
And the
Netherlands.
67 went to Las Vegas.
It went to Las Vegas, yeah. The saloon. That was a cool car.
That was nice too.
It was very
I had
nice.
that car around 25 years.
25 years. Sick.
I love Jaguars.
I know. That's why I'm surprised to see you going into a Subaru. It's funny. Well, guys, thanks for joining us. Victor, thanks for showing us your car. It's beautiful as always. 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, detail on our main website. So weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.